mathematics in nature and arts.
Golden Ratio, Magallanes Church.
The Magallanes Church reflects the golden ratio through its harmonious proportion and alignment with the Fibonacci spiral. The dome's curvature matches the spiral arcs, while the facade's height and width fit within golden rectangles, creating a balanced composition, such as the central entrance and the cross at the top align with focal points of the spiral, emphasizing natural visual flow. This integration highlights the church's aesthetic balance, blending mathematical beauty with architectural design.
The UP Oblation.
This image is found in UP Diliman, reflects the golden ratio. The central structure's height and width align with golden rectangles, framing the facade symmetrically. The Fibonacci spiral overlays the composition, starting from the base and spiraling upward through key focal points, such as the statue and pillars. The symmetrical arrangement of elements, including the steps and surrounding landscape, creates a balanced and harmonious design, embodying the principles of the golden ratio in architectural aesthetic.
Staircase in Roanoke Arts Center.
This is a museum found in Bin San Juan called Roanoke Art Center. As you can see, the staircase has a spiral pattern which resembles a golden ratio.
Transformation. Translation.
The rice terraces located in Banawe is an example of a translation pattern since it has a pattern on a plane which is not changing its shape or size. Translation is a movement of an object or image on a plane without changing its shape or size.
Rotation.
This is the Chocolate Hills located in Bohol. In this aerial view, you can see a bunch of hills which resembles a circular motion while looking at it. Rotation is a spinning motion and it has its own axis.
Reflection.
This is the Mayon volcano in the Philippines, and it has a reflection pattern, and it is like it has a mirror, but the truth is that is a water. And because of the water, the volcano and trees underneath create a reflection, and that creates a reflection image.
Dilation.
For that image, that is a streetscape in Vigan City in the Philippines, and has a dilation-like pattern, and each building on the side changes the size of their geometric figure but does not change its shapes. And the length of each building change in a proportional manner.
Fractals. Christmas Parole.
The Christmas spiral has a fractal-like patterns. Due to its symmetrical and repetitive design, each of the star arms or other decoration is a mirror of the others, creating self-similarity at different scales. The parallel arrangement of shape and lights repeats in a way that reminds one of fractals. Patterns repeat infinitely as the design scales down.
Otis fruit.
The Otis fruit is also fractal-like. It has an irregular, lumpy texture and a segmented surface. Every smaller section is just a repeat of the pattern of its larger counterparts, such as self-similarity at various scales reflects the fractals that exist in nature, repetitive and of infinite complexity.
Pythagoras tree.
The Pythagoras tree begins with a square. At each stage, the smaller squares are added based on the application of the Pythagorean theorem for their positioning. The recursive process creates self-similarity wherein each iteration adds smaller squares at angles. Infinite repetition makes this a fractal, with the complexity increasing with bond.